Understanding the need to assist the less privileged in our society to go through the Eid al-Adha in the most beautiful way, Directaid Society has done it again by donating 160 cows to needy families, widows and some selected leaders in our communities. Ali Abdusalam Ali is the Mercy Social Center Director, a subsidiary of Directaid Ghana.
Mostly we are targeting needy peoples like a woman without a husband, widows, and the peoples with disabilities, and old mans, and the Muslim community in general, those who are in need of such kind of programs. Most of the time we are giving for the chiefs, imams to go and serve their community in their village. Some people, they cannot come to this place because where they are, the distance is a little bit far away. So considering that we are giving the leaders of the community or the leaders of the tribes, the chiefs and imams to take and representing Directaid and distribute such kind of means in their village. And we are saying congratulations in advance and happy Eid Day, Barka da Salah for all the Ghanaian Muslim community. And at the same time, we are not forgetting our neighbors, either they are Christians or Muslims, as Islamic religious order us. And we are saying happy Eid al-Adha, and they may come and join us and we celebrate together by eating meats.
The beneficiaries are left with happiness, having received a fully fledged, healthy and matured cow for them to celebrate and enjoy with their families. This is what some of them has to say.
We owe Directaid a very big gratitude, because this is not the first time. It has been this way for several years now. And then there are many families all across the country that are benefiting, not only in Accra, but across the other regions. So this is something that is not a small thing, because if you look at the high times that we are in today, there are many families that cannot afford even a ram or a goat, not to mention a cow. And then you can see all around us that distribution going on.
Mun saba kowane shekara muna zuwa nan ana ba mu shanu mu je mu raba ma bayin Allah waɗanda muke da su, waɗanda mazajen su suka rasu suka bar su, da kuma yara. Muna gode ma Directaid da wanga aikin kirki na alhairi da suke mana cikin Ramadan, suna ba mu iftar. Sa'annan kuma ya kai babban sallah kuma suna ba mu shanu mu je mu rama bayin Allah, Allah ya saka musu da alhairi.
Farko muna godiya zuwa ga Allah Jalla wa Ala, sannan kuma muna godiya zuwa ga Directaid, sannan shugaban su Sami wanda ke cikin Accra. Muna godiya matuka da irin wanga amfanin da suke ba al'umma, ba don kuma don saboda al'umma su samu walwala da jin daɗi a cikin ranar Idi. Muna godiya mai yawa.
Shi Ustaz Sami da kansa, Allah ya saka masa da alheri, sannan mutane daga Kuwait da ko'ina waɗanda suke aiko dukiyansu a sai shanu a ba bayin Allah, Allah ya saka alheri, kuma Allah ya kai mu sabon shekara. Kullu aam wa antum bi khair.
Directaid Society is continuing its quest to put smiles on the faces of families as we celebrate the Eid al-Adha.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.